Ready to unlock secret savings and snag incredible deals you won't believe. First, tap the U tab in the bottom right corner of your Temu app. This is your personal command center for everything account related. Next, find and tap on credits and coupons. This is where the magic happens. It's where you see all your available Temu credits. You'll see your Temu credit balance right at the top. Keep in mind that credits usually have an expiration date, so use them before they disappear. Now, go back to browsing and add all the items you've been eyeing to your shopping cart. Once you're ready, tap the shopping cart icon at the bottom to review your selected items. Make sure everything is correct. On the checkout page, you'll see an Apply Credits option. Tap this to unleash the power of your saved credits. Temu will automatically apply the maximum amount of available credits to your order, reducing your total cost. Pretty awesome, right? Review your final total and tap Place Your Order to finalize your purchase and enjoy those sweet savings. Now get out there and start shopping smarter on Temu by maximizing your credits, unlocking incredible savings, and enjoying a cost-effective shopping experience. Happy shopping!